guys, have they gone mad? Ooh. Ooh, Jesus. I keep trying to catch that pow. Oh, God. Okay, well, every time I try to get it live, that big cannon sound and boom, I miss it. Okay, that right there, that's that kind of cannon sounding firework. There they go. That goes on right there. I heard that earlier. Woo, boy. I don't think I've had this good of a shot in a long time. These people got a lot of fireworks. OM freaking G. Oh my God, guys, it's like literally freaking crazy firework, crazy mad fireworks out here. And there's even smoke right there, as you can see right there. That's in the air. And there's a moon. We had a rainy day today. Feels really good out here though. But can you guys hear all of the damn fireworks going off? It is crazy sounding. I came out here to catch some of this because it's been going on since yesterday, all night. And I was trying to see if these guys down here would shoot some more fireworks again, which you guys see that. Mad crazy fireworks, guys. OMG. Whoa. It gets no better than this. I heard this like so many times a little while ago. And I was like, I have got to go out here and catch some of this action-packed fireworks live. You can see all that smoke up there. Just, they've been going at it all day and night. Oh my God, it is thick in there. Look at that. It's so thick in there. I mean, it looked like it's been a major fire or something. You see how thick it is up in there? All around in this area. They are smoked up over there. I cannot breathe right now. Look at that moon though. Oh my God, it's so bright. But yeah, it looked like they're on fire. And they are on fire, literally, with all these damn fireworks. Look at that. Their whole area, how are they able to even breathe over there? It's crazy. I mean, they've been popping these things all night long, all day yesterday, all night, and all day today. And I can hear more fireworks all around me right now. If I be quiet, see if you guys can hear all of that. Look at all that smoke. I am so dead. You can't even see that house over there for all that smoke. Whew. Goodness. There we go. There we go. Ooh, my freaking goodness. I better move back. Oh my God. I'm scared that stuff is going to get in my eyes or something. Whew. Jesus. Whew. Okay. Woo. This is deep, mad, crazy fireworks right now. Woo. Everybody's stopping, doors opening, people trying to figure out. Oh my God, guys. It's crazy. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I may get more, I may not, I don't know. Alright guys, hope you're enjoying the light show. It's been really cool to catch this right here on the street, on our street. So happy 4th of July, everybody. Have fun and be safe. Please be careful. Okay, they still let it down there. Here we go again. Ooh, boy, my ears. Oh my God. Being too close to those things will make your ears like dull. God, sound like somebody just blew a cannon off. Oh my God. Ooh. You guys can still hear that. You guys hear that?